In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can block countries from seeing your Instagram posts. You can block people in certain countries to view your Instagram account. This basically helps you as an Instagram seller to only target potential buyers. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. On the profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, select the option of business tools and controls right here. Tap on this option of minimum age. On by country option, tap on add. You will have to select countries you don't want Instagram to push your posts and stories to. Let's say you don't want your posts and stories to be limited in India, just increase the country minimum age up to 25 years. Anyone in India who's below the age of 25 won't likely find your Instagram account, posts or stories. This increases your engagement in targeted countries since Instagram will only push your content to them most of the time. You can add or remove any other countries of your own choice. That's how easy it is to block country people from viewing your Instagram profile. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.